Alright, so a few days ago I made a post on my community tab showing you guys something that I just made. So the post says like this: payment is automatic, and for the next 24 hours, 24 days, I will be earning $4.5 and total of $101.25 in 24 days coming. So after the duration, the capital returns to my available balance. And I asked you guys who wants the video. So in the comment section, this is it. This is my payment proof. In the comment section, there was a couple of comments around there. Someone said I should explain further. This one's asked me to make a video urgently because of family health issue. That was funny. And this one asked me to make video and let them see. Now, since you guys requested for the video, here is the video. So the platform we're going to talk about today is this particular inetes.io/cabinet. This is my cabinet over here, and I've been talking about this particular platform today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys, this is my third withdrawal. That is the third day of my initial investment on this particular platform. So I will show you guys what to do and what I'm doing on this one. So if you go over to my operation history, I've withdrawn my own payment today. It is right here on my Trust wallet. I would have shown you guys, but I'm in a rotate mode on my phone so that I will make the video visible for everybody. So if you look over here, you see, just like I told you guys, I've withdrawn my 405 USDT today, which is complete. And I remember I told you guys the payment from this inetes.io is automatic. They have to do everything themselves. All you have to do is to do the things I will show you guys on this video today. So first of all, inetes.io is a platform which gives you a total of $92 worth of their token, and also $25 as a sign-up bonus. So if you go over to my dashboard over here now, you will see it by yourself. So if you go over to, you will see that if you sign up, okay, let me click on affiliate program. Okay, if you sign up under them, if you sign up with the link in the description of this video, you will get $25 first of all, and also $192 worth of their token. This is their token here. This 3,498 in is what I'm having on their token, which is worth around $1,923. Okay, so if you are done with it, now this is where you can earn while we are waiting for them to launch their token. You cannot withdraw this in as I'm talking to you now, although you can still add it manually on your Trust wallet. But this is not the thing we came to do in this video today. Watch this video attentively so that you understand every single thing on this particular video. So if you look at here, you will see that I have withdrawn around $97.38 on this particular update. So don't download this update. Okay, if you go over to let me go straight to the point. This is an investment. This is not just a project that is about to launch. They also created an investment plan which there is no way in a loss, as in this is even better than AI mine for those of you that are in AI mine, because this one you don't need to buy any mine. All you have to do is to buy a plan. After 25 days, after the duration of the plan, depending on the plan you bought, it will give you both your capital and your returns back depending on the amount you did. So I've been referring people to it, and this time around I made my own deposit. So if you click on my deposit here, you see it will show you guys this is my actual investment. If you click on this is my actual investments here. Okay, this is the first one I did. Remember, they will give you $25, which will be giving you 0.23 USD every day, but that one is free of charge and you cannot withdraw now until you deposit. Look at what you have to do. And look, this is what I did. First of all, I accumulated $10 by referring people. Look at it over here, $10 by referring people, and I use it to activate this particular one, which is gonna last for 40 days. It's remaining 30 days, and it's giving me 0.9 USDT every day. This thing is the $25 own. The $25 own. This is the second time I'm investing the free $25 that was given to me. It have returned to my account after 40 days. I started it, and it gives me $0.23 every day. So this $25, I activated the miner again. So how do you do it? First of all, go over to this place that says invest. Click on invest, and it's gonna load up for a bit. Let it go load. inetes.io normally have network issue, and now it's done loading. Okay, look at their plans here. This one is minimum deposit on this particular one is 10 USDT and the maximum is $10. So every day it's gonna be giving you 0.93%, and deposit term is gonna last for 40 days. Deposit return always, just like I told you guys, your investment, that is your capital, is gonna be returned to you after the 40 days. But in this particular first plan, your withdrawal of interest, that is the withdrawal of your money, is gonna be after the deposit term. That means all the gains that you're getting from it is gonna be returned to your account after the 40 days that you activated this particular miner. So remember, it's from 10 to $1,000. So what I actually did was that I invested on this particular second level, which is extended, which will be giving me 2.5 percent of whatever I got. So I invested $162 on it, which will be giving me 2.5% of it, which is actually that $404.05 every day, and charges every day, deposit terms 25 days. So just like I told you guys, it's gonna be for 25 days, and my deposit, that's my actual investment, is gonna still return to my account after the 25 days, and withdrawal of interest is daily. So that is why and how I'm getting this 4.5 USDT daily instantly on my wallet. And before end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to be getting it instantly to your wallet. We tell you manually withdrawing it, and the same thing goes to the third plan, which will be giving you 3.5% every day, and they say that it is the most popular and it's very sweet. Minimum is $1,000 and maximum is $10,000. So this is the premium, which the minimum is $2,000 and maximum is $50,000, giving you 4.2% of it every day. You can deactivate your plan anytime, and withdrawal is still daily. So imagine having 4.2% of $2,000 minimum every day. It's a very good business if you can do it. And also, let's go over to my deposit here. If you click on my deposit here, you see this particular one that I did. This is $162 that I told you guys, $162, and this is what is giving me. It have already landed for 3 days, and I'm still having remaining of 22 days. So for the next 22 days, I will always be getting 4.05 every day. And how am I withdrawing it to my Trust wallet? All I have to do is to click on this place that says account setting. If you click on account setting, it's going to take you to your account where you can you can withdraw through Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Perfect Money, Binance, any withdrawal way you like. Just like as you can see, this is my TLC20 wallet address. I added it up here. So once you are done adding it up, you can also withdraw with Pay in case you love using Pay. But for me, I love using TLC20 USDT. So that's why I did this. And once you are done, sorry for that delay. Once you are done adding up the wallet address of your choice, just click on this place that says save, and instantly it's gonna save for you. So every day, as far as you did as I did on the video, I can assure you that you'll be getting the same thing that I'm getting, even if not the same amount of money. You have to choose the investment plan of your choice so that you'll be getting revenue every day, and you can be withdrawing every day, or you can still leave it for the duration of your investment to finish. So they have an affiliate program also, and a bounty for YouTubers. You can look at this place that say video bounty, and you can check out how you did it. I did it, and they gave me 1,000 pieces of the INI token. So that is it in case if you're a YouTuber. So I think I've showed you guys what you need to do on this initest.io, and I believe you guys got the information very well. If you click on my operation history here, you see that every single day I'm receiving $4.05 every day, and it's being sent to my wallet address every single day, just like I showed you guys on my YouTube community post. I'm receiving the thing. I've received my own today, and bear it in mind that that interest that you're gonna receive on your actual deposit is gonna be after 24 hours. After 24 hours, expect it from that time till the next 24 hours. If it did not come, that is when you will go to the customer service. Alright, I think this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys got value from it. If you got value from the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and tell me what you think about this particular platform on my comment section. As for now, see you guys on my next video. Bye.